Let's face it, watermarks can be really annoying. You find the perfect image or video online, but there's a big ugly watermark blocking it. You don't want to pay for expensive software or subscriptions just to clean it up. Well, today, I'll show you 3 free tools that can remove watermarks instantly, without needing Photoshop or any editing skills. Let's start with the first one, Apowersoft Online Watermark Remover. Just open your browser and go to apowersoft.com/watermark-remover. You can upload either an image or a video, draw over the watermark area, and click Remove. Within seconds, the watermark disappears like magic. It's 100% online, free for small files, and doesn't require you to install anything. Next, we have HitPaw Watermark Remover, free online version. This one has a clean and easy-to-use interface. Simply drag and drop your file, highlight the watermark, and choose one of the removal modes. It uses smart AI blending to erase text or logos from photos smoothly. For videos, it can even track moving watermarks and clean them up frame by frame. Impressive for a free tool. And finally, try Pixlr, the free web-based photo editor. Go to pixlr.com/e, open your image, and use the clone stamp tool or the heel brush tool. You can manually paint over any watermark or logo, giving you full control over how the final image looks. It's great for tricky cases where automated tools don't work perfectly. Lightbulb pro tip: always make sure you have the right to edit or reuse the image or video. Removing watermarks from copyrighted content without permission can break copyright rules. Use these tools responsibly, for your own creations, old content, or royalty-free media only. So there you have it, 3 free tools that can remove watermarks in seconds and make your content clean and professional. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.